Imagine being able to bring any idea you have in your mind to life without the need for expensive equipment, a professional team, or hours of editing. What if I told you that now, with just a few clicks, you can create your very own high-quality video content that's ready to publish? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's AI, and the tool you need to bring your creative vision to life is InVideo version 3. InVideo version 3 is a game changer in the world of video creation. This powerful AI tool lets you turn any idea you have into a fully realized video, ready to be shared with the world. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone with a great story to tell, InVideo makes the process simple and intuitive. Let's break down how it works. Step 1. Describe your idea. All you need to do is type out your concept, giving as much detail as you want. Maybe you have a concept for a short film, a promotional ad, or a social media post. Simply describe the scene, the mood, the tone of the video, and any specific visuals or themes you have in mind. It's as easy as typing out a text prompt. For example, let's say you're creating a promotional video for a Korean skincare brand ad. You could type something like, create a 30-second video for YouTube about a Korean skincare brand ad focusing on anti-aging and glowy skin. Make it hyper-realistic, keeping a soft and pastel theme. That's it. Once you've described your idea, you just hit generate, and within minutes, InVideo will create a fully edited video.
In the gentle embrace of Korean skincare, Regelica unveils the secret to timeless beauty. Our gentle formulas nurture your skin's very essence, empowering you to face each day with confidence. Experience the transformation with Regelica Skincare. Glow with the wisdom of Korean beauty.
This isn't just a random collection of clips either. The AI not only picks the visuals that best match your description, but it also includes music, narration, and a storyline to match the tone you've chosen. Now imagine the time you're saving here. What would normally take hours of searching for the right clips, editing, and adding music can now be done in just a few clicks. But that's not all. InVideo version 3 goes even further to give you total creative control. Maybe the AI-generated video is close to what you envisioned, but you want to tweak it just a little bit more. Well, with InVideo version 3 you can. You can change any scene, adjust the script, swap the background music, or even switch the voiceover, all with just a few text prompts. Let's say you're not happy with this video style or the music is too slow for your energetic video. Just type in a new prompt, change the look and feel, and the AI will make the changes for you. Here is the before and after preview.
Will protect you from gravity's glee. Just pop some bubbles and you'll be right. No need to worry, it's a funny sight.
This is where InVideo stands out from other video creation tools. It's not just about creating videos, it's about customizing them to fit your exact vision. Whether you're working on a product ad, a social media campaign, movie scene, or even an educational explainer, InVideo version 3 has a solution. The platform offers thousands of templates and style options, so you're never starting from scratch. Plus, it adapts to your needs, whether you're a beginner with no experience or a seasoned creator. In fact, let's take a look at a few examples of what you can create. Here's a recipe video for avocado toast.
Welcome to the ultimate avocado toast recipe. Let's create the perfect bite. Start with a ripe avocado. Feel its softness. Carefully slice it in half. Remove the pit. Scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. It's almost ready. Mash it with a fork until smooth. Add your personal touch. Squeeze fresh lemon juice. For that zesty kick, sprinkle salt and pepper. Season to taste.
You can see how the AI seamlessly integrates delicious hyper-realistic visuals, a clear list of ingredients, and step-by-step instructions from a POV angle showing hands making the recipe. This would be a perfect video to grab attention on social media, making viewers crave the dish. Now, let's look at a suspenseful scene. Notice how the video uses a series of B-roll shots of a 1940s house to suggest that a crime has occurred there. The pacing starts slow, beginning with an exterior shot of the house, then transitioning to tense, atmospheric interior shots. This approach creates a chilling tone, keeping viewers engaged with a sense of mystery. And here's an example of a nature scene. This video uses cinematic visuals to showcase a waterfall deep in the Amazon rainforest, surrounded by lush green plants. The setting is dark and wet, with ambient sounds of the rainforest creating an immersive experience. This approach communicates a sense of awe and connection with nature. So, who can benefit from InVideo version 3? The answer is simple: anyone. Whether you're a content creator looking to elevate your videos, a marketer in need of engaging ads, or a small business owner looking to create a professional-looking promotional video, InVideo version 3 has got you covered. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of creators, marketers, and businesses around the world are already using InVideo version 3 to bring their ideas to life. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising its simplicity, speed, and the incredible quality of the videos it generates. The best part, you can try it out for yourself. InVideo version 3 might be live right now, so head over to the link in the description below and give it a try. Start creating the video of your dreams today and take your content to the next level with the power of AI. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more amazing content on AI, tech, and creativity.